these historic grounds, the next generation of rockets takes shape, continuing a proud legacy of innovation.
Initiating cradle movement, speed 1.
Cable slack is clear. Looks good from here.
Ensure the coupling is secure before the next rotation sequence.
It's secured. Proceeding as planned.
The spherical component is designed to house the cryogenic fuel. It must maintain temperatures near absolute zero.
This is lift 3. Inspection on segment 9 is complete. No anomalies found. Over.
The starboard array is clear for transport. Proceed with the automated sequence.
We need to monitor the pressure levels on manifold 7 during the entire transit.
Roger that. Gauges are steady.
The collaboration between Boeing and NASA has resulted in a marvel of modern engineering, the new Space Launch System.
Check the pressure levels on manifold 3.
Reading stable at 2,500 psi.
Clear the area. We're lowering the stage now.
Roger that.
Okay, inspect nozzle 7. Make sure the readings are nominal.
All right, steady tension on line 3.
Anomaly detected at grid reference C4.
Noted. Is it within tolerance?
Clear the gantry for movement. Section Charlie is lifting.
Copy that. Lifting now. Keep it steady. Bring it down another 5 meters. Watch the rotation speed. Copy that. Slowing the turn.
The pressure reading on gauge 4 is slightly high.
Noted. We will monitor it during the descent.
Did you secure the bracket on the lower manifold?
Yes, the connection is solid.
Clear the area below the payload.
Moving to the left, slowly. Keep it steady.
Confirmed alignment on Sector 4.
With tolerances measured in millimeters, the team meticulously guides the MSA diaphragm into place.
Bring it down another few inches.
Confirming descent.
Watch the clearance on bay 4.
Confirming descent speed. Watch your clearance on the left.
Roger that, holding steady. Rotation looks good.
Verify the torque settings against the schematic.
They align with the revision, and we are clear to proceed with the next stage.
Keep coming straight back, driver. You have 3 feet on the left, clear on the right. Slow and steady.
All right, keep it steady. We are clear on the left side. Continue pushing. Clearance looks good. Sure, I'll keep an eye on it. Let's make sure the alignment is perfect before we lock it in.
Hold it right there.
Clear on the left.
Yeah, clear. Keep coming. Clear on the left side. Keep it steady.
Copy that, watching the clearance now.
All right, bring her in another 10 feet.
Steady on the left side, watch the clearance.
Copy. Slow rotation initiated. We are clear.
Almost clear of the threshold.
Hold position 5 meters back.
Roger, holding.
We are secure on the internal bracing.
Roger that. Proceeding with the alignment, check the alignment, check up here.
One of the world's largest structures, the VAB is 525 feet tall and has 130 million cubic feet of interior space.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on level 7. Copy that, steady descent.
Inside the VAB, the entire SLS put together level with the MPCV. The Space Launch System begins with the powerful core stage and its 4 RS-25 engines.
We are fully pressurized on the main stage. Status green.
Copy that. Trajectory is nominal. Keep monitoring the LOX level.
Bring her down slow, watching the alignment now.
Clear on this side, set her down.
The immersion looks steady.
All right, we need to finalize the wiring harness on this section before the shift ends. Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance.
Looking good here, a little to the right.
Copy that, moving right. Easy now, keep it coming down slow.
Watch the clearance on the right.
Looks good, set it down. All right, easy now. Bring her down another 2 inches.
Holding steady at 2 inches, clear on the east side.
Clear on the west side, looks aligned.
Keep it steady, watch the clearance on the left side. Copy that, speed is nominal.
We are clear for descent. Keep monitoring the alignment sequence.
Copy that, 20 feet down.
All teams in Sector Gamma, please note the movement of the Centaur segment. Ensure all pathways are clear.
All right, clear the bay doors. Keep it moving slow and steady. HMT, proceed on Vector Charlie, slow and steady. Copy that, proceeding on Charlie. Watch your clearance on the left side, Cap, looking good.
Confirmed.
starboard side is clear. Keep it slow and steady. All right, clear on the left. Keep it steady around the bend. We are entering the main road now. Status check on the starboard lift point.
Starboard is green, proceeding with the ascent.
Copy that, maintain current vector.
We have rotation initiated.
Roger, maintaining visual on the nozzles. Keep it steady. Clear on the left side.
Copy that, moving slowly down.
Watch the clearance on level 4. Hold the lift steady, checking the forward panel seam now.
Copy. Adjusting thrust vectoring mount position 0.5 degrees. Lowering sequence initiated. Maintain slow, steady descent.
Copy that. Watching the guides now.
Ensure the SRB bolts are secured before final inspection.
Copy that. All personnel, status check in 5 minutes.